All right, just want to follow up on the repair, update on the door. Turned out pretty well. So what I've done here basically is just taken my Dremel with about an 1/8 of an inch or 3mm bit, and then just basically added some wood grain in there. Only took a few minutes, but because of the semi-gloss paint, first coat on this door, I could basically see the outline of the repair. So it come through basically here and around down through there, and then up through this corner back into here. So you could very, very vaguely see it, and I thought, oh, we'll try touch it up with a Dremel, and I think that's going to do the trick. You probably shouldn't be able to see anything, and like anything in life, the more time you put into it, the better it's going to be. But I think in this case, that's going to be about it. So take care.